Hello everyone, welcome to part 6, and we are back to try to release even more of this sewing machine secrets. There's not many left, but there's some left. So that did fit in there. I did just loosen that. Let's just try to keep on going. You know, some of these things are hard to take apart. But I hope if I'm older and I get into like a really tough situation, I'm as resilient as some of these things that are resisting to be taken apart, you know? So some of these things are they're just really holding on for dear life. There we go. Oh, there's that piece. There we go. We finally got the light switch off and out of there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to take it apart from that, but the important thing is it is out of the actual machine. Ooh. I just washed my hands and I just touched up a greased up part of it. It's like, yeah, that totally made sense. Okay. Wait. No, that didn't work. But do I need an even skinnier piece to get into there? It's like, why is that so resistant to being entered? There's another word I could have said there. Be thankful I did not. Maybe I could use this as like, there we go. That just loosened the tension on the spring. Not that I can take it off, but You see that moving? It's like super loose. Nope. I think that's just going to come out. Here, I got you a flower. Oh yeah, doing that. That thing I'm trying to work on with the hexagonal screw that's not coming out, that is like the only thing holding this. Unless there's one there. Yeah, that's like literally the only thing holding this, and I can barely get the piece to fit inside. And with the way the physics is, I don't really have the strength to turn it. Ow. That just scratched my nail. Where'd it go? There we go. It's like it's bent in a certain way. Like this part is supposed to be the part where you turn, and then this part's supposed to be inside, but I can only really reach it like this and have space to turn. Let's try more time with this guy. It's not even going in. Come on. In. There you go. Like, we knew it fit before. Why is it not fitting now? No, actually, I could probably just go like this. Yeah, there we go. Gravity will take care of that later, but I can also do the same here. There we go. Yeah, that is like the last man standing there. I found a new screw down there. I wonder if I can reach that. Yeah. Scott, we hope this is holding on to something important. Well, that came out. It did. It is holding on to something important, but it can't release because it's in. There you go. We got some stuff right in there. Ooh, would you look at that? And those are both screws that I tried and failed to get. Probably get them now. Yeah, look at that. So much easier when you actually have, like, you can apply the force the way you need it. And that one's just still stripped. I think I'm about to get a spring out. There we go. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh! Something just came forward. There we go. I think we're about to get that out too, maybe? The sharp circle? Or at least I would be able to if that screw wasn't still in the way. If I could somehow remove that. Let's try this one for the 19th time. There we go. That did something. You just see that? You just see that? Look at that! We got more modern art wire there. Oh my gosh. Some sort of spring going on right here. Yeah. Look how filthy that is. Oh my gosh. Then we just get some Phillips action here. Fell on the floor somewhere. There we go. That completely came off. I think I just found another hexagonal thing. No, that is just a hole. Oh, that's not going to come apart, but that's all right. So we got that out. No, that's just a screwdriver. That is like the deepest yet thinnest Phillips I've ever seen. But we had parts that just gave out, which was pretty nice. We have one part that's going to give out if I can get something else to give out. Like that. Let me show you what I'm seeing here as far as this is concerned. So you see this like circle thing right here? This is willing to come out as long as this part's willing to come out, which is not because of the screws that are in the way. I could also get it from the other side, like right over here, but the screw that's holding this part in is refusing to budge. And then also over here, this entire thing is being held by one little hex screw that is like right... I'm probably blocking it. Yeah, which is right in there. But the hex screw is not the right length to reach it in order for me to get good leverage. And those are the main things hindering me at the moment. And then also this bad boy is just refusing to come off. So, wait, is that a screw? Are those screws? All right. I think I've reached the point with this sewing machine that I can't go without another set of eyes looking at it. So I think this is going to be the end to part 6. Anyway, that was today's video. Thank you for watching.